How to prepare for ASCP MLT exam is not just study time. It's a step-by-step process that locks in knowledge and builds confidence. Most candidates guess their way through and hope for the best. That's why many fail on the first attempt. Stay with me, and I'll reveal a proven action plan that thousands of lab professionals have used to pass. This video shows you exactly how to prepare for ASCP MLT exam. You'll learn daily habits that sharpen memory, a study strategy that sticks, and exam day tactics that remove stress. This channel is built for lab pros chasing ASCP success. MLSIAcademy, the global leader in ASCP prep, provides the framework that works. Before we start, always check the ASCP Board of Certification site for official eligibility and application details. That page is the only trusted source for requirements and scoring. We'll cover application steps in another video. Subscribe or check the channel for that one. Now, let's dive into the plan. Step 1 is build a healthy lifestyle foundation. Your brain can't store complex lab facts if it's running on fumes. Aim to sleep by 10 or 11 p.m. in a completely dark room. Darkness triggers melatonin, which repairs cells and strengthens memory. Skip sugar to avoid brain fog. Fuel your body with eggs for choline, broccoli for antioxidants, fatty fish for omega-3, nuts for healthy fats, and dark chocolate for flavonoids. Stay hydrated from morning to night. Step 2 is boost brain memory every single day. Start mornings with quick flashcard reviews or keynote checks. Use spaced repetition review after 1 day, 3 days, then a week. This method cements long-term recall far better than last-minute cramming. Many candidates, after medical advice, add omega-3 or B12 supplements for extra support. A sharp mind absorbs complex material faster. Step 3 is create a focused study plan. Random study leads to random results. Decide when, how long, and how to study. Morning sessions before work are best while your mind is clear. Choose longer blocks of 3 to 4 hours instead of short bursts. Write notes by hand. Pen and paper build stronger memory than reading alone. Summarize each topic and draw simple diagrams to connect concepts. Step 4 is master the content using targeted practice. After finishing a subject, immediately train with practice questions. MLSIAcademy provides QBank modules that mirror real exam style. Track your scores carefully. When you consistently hit 85% or higher across all sections, you know you are ready. This benchmark tells you the computer adaptive exam can't surprise you. Step 5 is time your application and booking. Never schedule the exam too early. ASCP approval can take several weeks, so submit only when your practice scores prove readiness. Once approved, you'll get a Pearson view link to schedule. Visit the test center a few days before the exam so nothing feels unfamiliar. Step 6 is prepare for exam day itself. Sleep well the night before. Book an early morning slot so your mind is fresh. Eat a balanced breakfast with protein and complex carbs. Bring the required ID exactly as listed in your confirmation email. Stay calm if you see a question that feels off topic. ASCP includes a few unscored pilot questions. Focus on the rest and trust your preparation. Avoid the common traps. Don't treat this as a simple multiple choice test. It measures applied lab knowledge and critical thinking. Don't sacrifice sleep for extra study hours. Memory consolidation happens during deep sleep. And don't book the exam as a way to force discipline. Preparation, not pressure, creates results. Thousands of lab professionals worldwide have passed using MLSIAcademy's expert-led prep. Live classes, on-demand video lessons, concise study guides, and powerful QBanks give you every tool you need in one place. Every word in those guides counts. Let's recap how to prepare for ASCP MLT exam. Start with a healthy lifestyle, consistent sleep, brain-boosting foods, and steady hydration. Train your memory daily with spaced repetition. Create a written study plan with long focused sessions and handwritten notes. Use MLSIAcademy QBanks until you score 85% or higher across all topics. Apply only when ready and visit the Pearson View Center in advance. Finally, set yourself up for exam day with rest, balanced fuel, and confidence. Follow these steps and you won't just take the exam, you'll own it. Explore the MLSIAcademy prep platform to see how thousands of lab professionals built their success. In our next video, we'll unpack how to study for ASCP MLT exam in even more detail, so hit subscribe or check the channel for that breakdown. Commit to the plan, trust your training, and walk into the test center ready to succeed. That is exactly how to prepare for ASCP MLT exam.